Today I'll be sharing with you the secrets to making the best Sukuma Wiki or collard greens recipe that don't turn out soupy but just perfect. You're going to clean your Sukuma Wiki or collard greens, and using a knife or a mandolin, you're going to chop to your own desired size. Also, you're going to be chopping 1 medium onion. Once done, you're going to place a pan over high flame and let the pan get super hot. I added in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil because this is a recipe for about 3 people. The oil is going to add so much flavor in your Sukuma Wiki. So don't add too much and don't add too little because your Sukuma Wiki will not be very tasty. Once your oil is hot, you're going to add in your onion. Using your spatula, you're going to stir in the onions and cook until a little bit golden brown. You don't want the onions to darken so much because they're not going to be looking so good once the Sukuma Wiki is cooked. As my onions are cooking, I'm going to be adding in 2 beef seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning cube that you have in the house. Adding the seasoning cubes is going to add so much flavor to your Sukuma Wiki or collard greens, and also because seasoning cubes contain salt, there's no need to add any more salt. But first, check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, you can add in a little bit of more salt. When there's a little bit of golden brown color on your onions, you're going to add in your chopped Sukuma Wiki or collard greens. Immediately you add in the Sukuma Wiki, they are going to start cooking. So using your spatula, you're going to stir as the Sukuma Wiki or collard greens cook. The secret to making Sukuma Wiki that's not soupy is to use high flames to cook the Sukuma Wiki, and also don't cover using a lid because the Sukuma Wiki are going to steam instead of cooking. When chopping up your Sukuma Wiki, don't chop the Sukuma Wiki too big because it's not going to fully absorb in the seasoning, so it's not going to be very delicious. I don't know if that makes sense. Just go for the thin-sized Sukuma Wiki while chopping. My Sukuma Wiki or collard greens are ready and they're looking very delicious and cooked to perfection. You can serve Sukuma Wiki as a side dish, maybe over some ugali, chapati, or rice. This is a recipe worth trying because so many of you have been asking for my Sukuma Wiki recipe. And there you go. It is as simple as that, and the Sukuma Wiki are looking very delicious. Catch you on my next video.